welcome or welcome back. My name is Stacy. This is STACILEA Beauty, and I am in my mid-40s. I love all things beauty. Did you know that shaving is not only for the men? That's right. We have peach fuzz on our face, and today we're talking about Michael Todd Beauty. This is the SonicSmooth Dermaplaning tool, and we're gonna see how it works. Have you heard that getting rid of the peach fuzz on the face helps with makeup application? Well, I don't feel like I have too much, but let's put this to the test. As we're going through and I'm showing you this, if this is something that you would be interested as I'm talking, I just wanted to let you know that I do have a discount code for you. It is an affiliate. If you want to try this or something else from the Michael Todd Beauty website, you can get 20% off your purchase with using the code STACILEABEAUTY20. Comes in 3 different colors: pink, purple, or white. I chose the pink because I love the pink. I did do an unboxing. It does come with a charging station which hooks up to a USB. This has been charging, and so we're ready to go. To cleanse your face and make sure it is dry. So I've done that step. This is how it looks. It's very easy to hold, it feels like. I have the cap on it still, but it says that you want to hold it at a 45-degree angle, and you go downwards and downwards short motions with the contour of the face. I've never used an electric one like this. I have used manual, razors. It's a sonic dermaplaning system. There are different speeds, and the 4th, if you click it on the 4th, that shuts it off. Okay, let's see. It does come with an instruction booklet so that it shows you what motions to go. And I'm going to start with the top of your face near your hairline, and you want to go in the direction of the hair growth, never against it. So downward strokes. I got my PJs on because they do recommend to do this at night, just in case your skin has a little bit of redness. That is going to be normal. I can see pieces flying. I don't know if that is coming across on camera. There's some on there. I'll wipe that off. And of course, you want to make sure you don't go all the way down and get your brows. The nice thing is this acts as an exfoliator too, and you just go lightly. This is sonic technology, so it oscillates at 15,000 sonic movements per minute. It doesn't hurt at all. It's not pulling. It doesn't feel like it's, ripping out my hairs or anything like that. My forehead feels very smooth. I am in my mid-40s and I do have dry skin, just to give you my skin type. And the nice thing, when you buy this, you get, including the blade that comes in it, you have a total of 8 times that you can use this. They do recommend that these are single-use blades only. You want to use a new one each time. It does feel softer. I wish that there was some way that they could invent a technology that people could smell or feel through the screen, but it does feel softer right here than over here. So far, I've been on the low speed. Ooh, that's really soft. I could totally tell the difference. This does retail, this kit with the blades and the charger retails for $119. But remember, I do have the discount code, so you just barely need to touch your skin. Very light, gentle. Oh yeah. You see that exfoliating? Like the combination of the dead skin and the hair coming off. And of course, if you have any blemishes or open cuts or open sores or anything, you don't want to use this over that. And they recommend about once a week. They say that really the peach fuzz and dry skin can accumulate every 7 to 10 days. So that's not very long. And you just want to pull your skin a little tight, taut, but don't pull on it or anything, you know what I mean? As you can see, definitely easy to use. Okay, and I am done. After you are completed, they say to apply a hydrating moisturizer serum to kind of calm any, redness or irritation. I'm not feeling any like pullness or any tingling, any irritation, anything like that. Yeah, my skin definitely feels softer, smoother. Ooh. Blades are very easy to replace. You just swipe it up, it comes off, and then when I'm ready, I will just put this back on, go like that, and ta-da, it's replaced. So super, super easy. Then when it needs charged again, you just set it in here, or you can just set it in here when it's not charging just because it looks pretty. All right, I will see you tomorrow morning, but it'll just be a second for you. All right, it is the next day when I went to go put on my Biossance rose oil. It really soaked into my skin so much that my skin was kind of gleaming. And when I went to put on my foundation, if you've never done dermaplaning before, you might have to adjust a couple things before you get used to it, because I actually needed less foundation than I normally put on. And it looked like it was almost too much for my skin. So definitely a little bit of a curve there. You don't need as much makeup when putting on after this. I had no irritation last night when I went to bed. My chin did stay red longer than any other part of my face, and after I put on my moisturizer, I could kind of feel it a little bit itchy there, but nothing bad. And by the time I woke up, there was no redness, no irritation, anything like that. My mom has sensitive skin. I'm going to have her try this and I will report back how she likes it, but super easy to do. I have not recharged it, and it still has, you can see the green light, it still has some juice in it. Very happy. Thank you so much, Michael Todd, for sending this out for me to try. So again, if you are interested in trying this or any of the other products, I will be putting up on the screen right now some of the other products that they do offer on their site. It is all caps, STACILEA Beauty 20. I will have that down in the description box. Thank you so much if you decide to use my code, because I do get a commission. I would love to know if you have ever tried dermaplaning and what your thoughts are. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you back here. Thanks, bye.